share with you how to stay safe. Okay, our topic is staying safe, how to protect yourself from coronavirus. So, best precaution is staying home. If you stay home, this is the best way to get rid of that germs, which are really very harmful for our health. So, what can you do to get safe yourself from coronavirus and COVID-19? First of all, you wash your hands for 30 seconds or for 20 seconds, and after half an hour you must wash your hands and then wear mask and cover your cough and sneezing. While you are coughing and sneezing, you should cover it with tissue paper, and afterwards you should throw it into the bin. And then social distancing is very important, and nowadays you must stay at home, and if there is some necessary work, something is very important, and you have to go for grocery, your parents wants to go for grocery, then they should do social distancing, and social distancing is very important. And don't touch your face unnecessarily. Touching your face is dangerous. And look at this, they are in some shopping mall, and they are go for they are going for grocery, and they are keeping distance. So today's topic is staying safe. So how can we keep ourselves safe? By washing our hands, wearing mask, and cover our sneezing and coughing, and social distancing. In this way we can make ourselves make ourselves safe when we are staying at home. That's the reason your schools are not open and you are taking online classes. So let's come to our topic, stay safe. Now everybody take out page number 25 and let's read. I'm gonna read it for you. Staying safe. Here is a wise saying: look before you leap. This tells us that we have to think carefully before doing anything. We have to look where we are going. Okay, this is very famous saying. Look before you leave. It's mean that we should think carefully before doing anything. Whatsoever we are doing, we should think carefully that what we are going to do, because everything, every action which we are taking having some consequences. So we must think before doing anything. Okay, staying safe. Accident happen because of carelessness. Many accidents need not happen at all if we are careful. Be careful where you play. Don't go out alone on the road. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Pay attention to the road signs. Look right, look left, and then again, and then right again before you cross. Okay, accident happens because of carelessness. In this given slide, you can see that this boy is running on the road and her mother is trying to catch her. And in this slide, in this picture, you can see that this boy is using his mobile, and he is so indulged and busy in his mobile, and he is not seeing that some vehicle is behind him. So we should be very careful while we are walking on the road, because accident happen because of carelessness. We should be very alert and we should think very carefully what we are doing. Okay, and then be careful where you play. Nowadays, children are also getting very fed up, and they are start coming outside from the houses. And look at this, in this picture, they are playing, children are playing on the road. Do not play on the road because it's very dangerous. Anytime any vehicle can come. and you are so busy and so indulged in your games, and you don't know that from which side and from which direction vehicles are coming. So be very careful. Don't and I request the parents, don't allow the children to go outside and to play on the road. They are also playing on the road. And and cross the road at zebra crossing. हाँ जी, आपने हमेशा whenever you want to cross the road, you should use zebra crossing. Look at this, they are meant for the people who are walking. And if we are crossing road from zebra crossing, it is the safe side, and then we are not having any mishaps. So always try to cross road from zebra crossing. And look at here, road signs and how to cross the road. This girl, look right, left, and again right before crossing the road. First of all, आपने right direction में देखना है, then left and again right before crossing the road. And these are traffic sign. Green mean red mean you should stop. Red means you should stop, and green means you start your vehicle and go. And do you remember your nursery rhyme? Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop. And then green light, what do you say? So the go and go right away. So these traffic signs are having some meanings. We should follow these traffic signs to get rid of to precor to get save ourselves from any accidents. Okay, then at home you should never leave things lying around on the floor. You may trip or slip on them. Look at this in this picture. This boy is about to fall because of his toys. And in this room, look at this very messy room. All the toys are in disorder. So we should be very careful because we are having a little one, and elders are also with us. Our grandparents are living with us. So we should at home never leave the things around on the floor. You may trip or slip on them. This man is about to fall because of these toys are lying on the floor. This boy is falling because of water is there, and this girl is also falling. So we should be very careful because we are having a young ones, little children at home, and we are also having our grandparents with us. So whenever you play, after playing, you should take your things on a proper place. You should keep your things on a proper place. Otherwise, some person will trip on slip on them. So whenever you play, after playing your games, you should put your toys on a proper place. And then fire. Fire is very dangerous for kids. So never play with the matches, you may burn yourself. It is not a playing thing. Matchbox is very dangerous. Fire is very dangerous. Never play with the matches, you may burn yourself. In this given slide, in this picture, you can see that this girl is lit a match, and in this picture you can see that this boy is playing with the matchbox and he burned his hut or house. So it's very dangerous. You are not supposed to play with the fire, and never touch the stove as well. Medicines, electricity. Electricity, never touch a bar wire, bare wires, or a metal parts of electronic items. An electric shock can kill you. Electricity is also very dangerous. It is not a playing thing, and never insert some screw or some metal thing inside the switchboard, because it is very 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 dangerous for you. An electric shock can kill you. Never touch the wires, electric wires, they are really very harmful for you. Look at this girl is playing, and while playing she is trying to touch the switchboard, and this boy is also inserting some screw inside the switchboard, and that girl is also trying to touch the switchboard, and with the and she is trying to touch with the bare feet, and that is also very dangerous. So never play and never touch the electric wires. And at home, these tools are at every home. They are very useful. They are also sharp, and be careful how to use them. This is knife, scissors, and this is shaving blade. So be very careful because they are also sharp. Knife and through scissors you can cut your fingers, and it is very dangerous for you. In this picture you can see that this girl, because of sharp knife, her finger is cut and she is having bleeding. And this shaving blade your papa is using that, so it is also very dangerous. Let the elders keep use it. Not, it is not for the playing toys, it is not a playing thing, so you should not use these things. Be very careful while you are using scissors. Medicines. These may taste sweet, but if they are not for you, they may harm you. Okay, some medicines are very sweet, like Bio 21, and these some medicines of like paracetamol, that Brufen syrup. These type of syrups are really very sweet, very taste very sweet. So don't take it without doctor prescription. First of all, if your doctor allow you, if your parents said that you need these medicines, then and that you can use these medicines. Otherwise, you shouldn't take these medicines because they are having a very harmful effects on your health. So in in this chapter we learned that how to stay safe. First of all, I told you that nowadays, because of this pandemic, we should be very careful. We should stay at home, stay safe, then wash your hands for 20 seconds after every half an hour. Wash your hands, and when you are going outside you should wear mask. Cover your sneezing and cover your coughing with tissue paper, and afterwards dump that tissue paper into the bin and keep social distancing. Never touch your face unnecessarily, it's also causing dangerous. And look at this, they are keeping social distancing, staying safe. And then look before you leap means you should think very careful before doing anything, otherwise you have to face some consequences. And don't accident happen because of carelessness. We are walking on the road, we should be very alert, we should be very careful, and don't play on the road. Be very careful, never try to play on the road. Don't go alone on the road. Look at this, they are going alone. Means they are kids, but no elder person is with them. So never go alone on the road. Whenever you want to go outside, your parents or some elder person should be there with you. And then look at this, cross the road at zebra crossing. Look at this, they are crossing the road at zebra crossing, and this is the rule how to cross the road. Look right, left, Again, right before crossing the road, and these are traffic signs. Red stop, red means stop, and green means start walking. Start your vehicles. And at home, you should not. You should keep your things in order after playing. You should must keep your things on their proper place, and never spill water on the ground, and don't don't put your toys in disorder. Keep the things arranged, and never play with the fire, because fire may burn you. It is not a playing thing. Matchboxes are not playing thing. And electricity is also very dangerous. Never touch the electricity. And some medicines may taste sweet, but don't take it without doctor's prescription. Okay, now some general rules of staying safe at home. Never poke a finger or any object into electric socket. हाँ जी, कि आपने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के जो स्विच बोर्ड होता है उसमें कोई भी अपनी फिंगर नहीं लगाएं उसको, और कोई भी उसको टच अननेसेसरीली ना उसको टच करें. नेवर बी नियर अ बर्निंग स्टोव. नेवर ट्राई टू लाइट स्टोव. आपकी अपनी की अगर आपके some elder person, if your parents are there, only then and that you will go in the kitchen. Otherwise कभी भी आप चूल्हे को टच मत करें. Stove is also very dangerous. Never fly kites near electric wires. Nowadays it is forbidden, but if uh, some areas it is allowed, kite flying is allowed. So never fly kites near the electric wire. It is also very dangerous. Never swallow a tablet or take medicines. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया Bio-21 is very tasty, but without डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के आपने कोई चीज़ कोई भी मेडिसिन नहीं खानी without adult supervision. If your parents, if some adult is there, only then and that you can take. Never play or run wildly on rooftop. हाँ जी, छत पे आपने जाके भी छत पे आप लोग चले जाते हैं, भागते हैं अननेसेसरीली. और इसी तरह से कभी अगर आपका कोई बड़ा बंदा है वहाँ पे, तब आप छत पे जाएं. अदरवाइज ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक हो सकता है आपके लिए. Some traffic rule. Before crossing the road, look towards before crossing the road, look towards your right, then left, again towards the right, and quickly cross the road. And right and quickly and cross the road. हाँ जी, आपने पहले दाएं देखना है, then left, and again look left, again look right, और फिर उसके बाद आपने सड़क क्रॉस करनी है. Never run on the road but walk carefully. कभी भी आप ने रोड पे भागना नहीं है. Carefully walk on the road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Never play on or near the road. Road खेलना, it's very dangerous, so never play on the road. So we have done our exercise, page number 27 we have done, and I hope that you did it on your books as well. And we have done question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. Now we are going to do question number 4. What is the meaning of the saying look before you leave? Write the answer in your own words. हाँ जी, इसका क्या मतलब है लुक बिफोर यू लीव? इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है इट मीन्स वी शुड थिंक केयरफुली बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग. कुछ भी करने से पहले आप अच्छी तरह से सोचें कि हमें इसके क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस को फेस करना पड़ेगा. तो इट मीन्स वी शुड थिंक केयरफुली बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग. Question number 5. Why the bar electric wires are dangerous? जो तारें होती हैं, जो नज़र आ रही होती हैं, वो क्यों हमारे लिए dangerous होती हैं? Bare electric wires are dangerous because they can kill us with electric shock. Bare electric wires are dangerous because they can kill us with electric shock. Then Question number 6. What are the safety rules in your school? Why is it important to follow them? आपके स्कूल में कौन से safety rules हैं? Safety rules in the school: don't touch the switchboard, don't spill water on the ground, don't play with knives, scissors, and don't fight or push each other. If we shall not follow the rules, we shall be in danger. Okay, one more time, let me read it for you. What are the safety rules in your school? Why is it important to follow them? Safety rules in the school: don't touch the switchboard, don't spill water on the ground, don't play with knife and scissors, don't fight or push each other. If we shall not follow the rules, we shall be in danger. Okay, this is all for today. And your diary, listen carefully. Your diary is question number 4, question number 5, and question number 6. This is your diary, and you are going to do it on your neat notebooks. Okay, now I stop sharing and let me ask you if you have. I am having 7 minutes remaining, and now I will give you a chance to ask question, whatsoever question in your mind. You can ask me if any query, if anything is not clear to you, if any concept is not clear, you can ask me right now. Okay, within a 1 minute, let me just give you a quick recap of this. After 5, and then I am having 5 minutes remaining. In this lesson, we learn how to stay safe, staying home, staying safe from coronavirus, washing hands, wearing mask, and using tissue paper while coughing or sneezing, and keeping a social distancing, and unnecessarily don't touch your face, having a social distancing, and look before you leap. You should think carefully before doing anything, and then don't accident happen because of carelessness. Don't use mobile and don't play on the road, and don't go alone on the road. Go with some adult person and cross the road at zebra crossing. Look right how to cross the road. Look right, look left, again look right cross the road. Then don't leave your things lying on a floor, your toys, and if some person will slip or trip from them. And then don't spill water on the ground, and don't play with the fire, it may burn you. And don't touch electricity. Electricity is also very dangerous, and you may get electric shock. And some useful tools: scissors, knife, and shaving blade. This is very useful tools, but these tools are for adults.